Welcome to week 6. Good morning, everyone. Hope you are having a great Mother's Day weekend. If you're a mother, happy Mother's Day. And to all of your moms, happy Mother's Day as well. Hope everyone is staying home safe and healthy in the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic. This is the 6th week of our class, and by this point, we have covered more than 2/3 of the course. As usual, every Sunday, I will send an announcement letting you know what's coming up for the week. So here we go. Please look at the calendar found at the end of the syllabus and as presented below. Here's where you'll see the topics being covered this week. This week, only one new chapter, or the equivalent of 2 weeks of work. Please pay attention to the due dates for the various activities, assignments, and exams. You can also find reminders for when assignments are due on the calendar or Canvas. Here's the summary of what's coming up due this week. This week we are going to study chapter 11, which industry and energy. Please read pages 348 to 379. Remember to also look at the PowerPoints, read the study guides, and watch the lecture videos. It is a good idea to complete the next set of key concepts for chapter 11 as you read the class material. This will be due the last week of the class. Map quiz number 3, Europe, Russian Federation and Central Asia, available by Monday 11, and it is due Friday, May the 15th by 11:59 p.m. Reflection number 3 will be available by Tuesday, May 12th, and is due Saturday, May 16 by 11:59 p.m. I will get caught up on the grading for the latest assignment submitted. Related to the last section, an astonishing number of students are missing assignments. The class is going to be over in less than 3 weeks. We are past the half point of the class. One of these missing assignments is going to be completed. Remember that you can always submit assignments even past the deadlines, but the farther away you are from the deadline, the more points will be deducted. Once the class is over in June 1st, you won't be able to submit anything. A few students continue to be inactive in the class. That is, you are not regularly logging into the course. The deadline to drop with a W was Friday, May 8th, 2020. So now, whatever grade you earn in the class will be what appears on your record. Be safe and healthy and have a great rest of the week. We will see you online. Best, Samuel Cortez.